Have you ever needed to save an important WhatsApp conversation for work, legal reasons, or just for your records, but realized WhatsApp Web doesn't have a built-in export button? Today, I will show you the quickest and easiest way to export your WhatsApp web chats directly to your computer. Welcome back to ClearTask. If you find this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Since WhatsApp Web lacks a native export feature, we need a lightweight Chrome extension. Search Google for WhatsApp Web Chat Export extension. A reliable, up-to-date choice is WA Export, or any top-rated alternative in the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once installed, it helps to pin the extension to your browser's toolbar so it is always easy to access. Next, go to web.whatsapp.com and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now, click on the specific chat or group conversation that you want to save. With the chat open on your screen, click the new export extension icon in your toolbar. A menu will appear. Here, you can fully customize your export. Select your specific date range to filter the messages, and choose your preferred download format, such as an HTML document or a CSV file. Finally, click Download. The extension will quickly process the messages and save the chat file securely to your hard drive. And that is it. You now have a complete offline backup of your WhatsApp conversation. It is simple, fast, and effective. If this method helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more clear and actionable tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.